Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, there lived a little turtle named Toby. Toby was kind and curious, but he had one big problem. He was always in a hurry. He wanted to do everything quickly, and when things didn't happen fast enough, he would get upset. One sunny morning, Toby's friend Sammy the squirrel invited him to a berry-picking contest. "Whoever collects the most berries by noon wins a golden acorn," Sammy said excitedly. Toby's eyes sparkled. "I'll win for sure," he declared, and without waiting another second, he rushed off toward the berry bushes. But as Toby hurried, he tripped over roots, bumped into trees, and even dropped half his berries because he wasn't being careful. Frustrated, he sat down with a huff. "Why is this so hard?" he grumbled. Just then, old Mama Owl landed on a branch above him. "Patience, little one," she said wisely. "Rushing only brings mistakes. Calmness brings success." Toby sighed. "But how do I stay calm when I want to win?" Mama Owl smiled. "Take deep breaths, move steadily, and enjoy the moment. The forest rewards those who wait." Toby decided to try. He took a deep breath, slowed his steps, and carefully picked each berry. To his surprise, he didn't drop any. He even noticed the sweet smell of the berries and the songs of the birds around him. When the contest ended, Toby hadn't collected the most berries, but his berries were the prettiest and neatest in his basket. Sammy smiled and said, "You win the prize for being the calmest and most patient picker." Toby beamed. He had learned that staying calm and patient made everything better and a lot more fun. From that day on, whenever Toby felt rushed, he remembered Mama Owl's advice. Slow and steady wins the race. The end. Moral: patience and calmness help us do our best. Enjoy life's little moments.